Apple pretty.
Man, we out there again, you know? Yeah, man. Big up yourself at Toby, aka Facts of Life. Yeah, man. Big up. Remember to like and subscribe every time. All out there. Big up every community, every trench. Yeah, man. One go. Big up. Out. We did it. Bam. So we did it, man. Yeah. Shape up the boss place, you know? Yeah, man. So me I tell all the man in my yard, say. No for we are foreign for we mind. But we have to just have work for we mind when we come here. You understand? So if you don't have money, you know, no woman don't want to see you. Yeah, man, and that's how we have to do it a foreign, man. It's up here cold. But today we have to do it for the youth then. We have to do it for moms too, you know. Yeah, man, because no matter how a man say married, you understand, if you don't have no money, moms don't want to see you. Yeah, because you don't know the jars have to buy, soap have to buy. They don't want to talk about that. I'm glad to come at GP still. I can buy 2 more jars for my moms.
And every time you talk about send this and I send that, is your hard man for work. You see me I say? You know how much time you have to clip this the rest of the day?
Yeah.
You know how much time?
No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
What's up, my beautiful peeps? Yeah, man, welcome back to your truly channel, my people. You know? Yeah, man, Odane Spearfishing lifestyle, guys. Yeah, man, it's been a while, you know? Yeah, man, this one due to you guys, you know? It's been a while. You know, I asked you this, you know? You know, so finally, me do it, my peeps. So, step on another scenery, guys, this morning out here. As you see me go on a couple of video with the apple tinning, guys. So we're up on the next scenery on the apple here now, which is we are doing some apple pruning. Yeah, man. So we are letting some sunlight in the apple. Yeah, man. We are expose them to the sun so them can be able to ripe properly and more faster, guys. Yeah, man. So let's get right into it, guys. Yeah, man, showing a couple clips of me, myself, and the guys, them, and stuff like that. Yeah, man, so just watch it and full jar this one, my peeps. Yeah, man. That's how it done, my people. Yeah, man, like me say, we just letting some sunlight in the apple. You see it? Yeah, man. At it, you know, as you see, they're more free up and now exposed to the sunlight, guys. Yeah. Alright, I'm show no difference, you know. See, as now you see at a bush, we now trim up this side as yet, so we'll trim up it. I go free up like what you see over there, so free up, you know, my peeps. You see what I go on? Yeah, man, so we have Senti right there. Yeah, man. At work, you know. So yeah, my peeps. Out the outside, you know. I let in some sunlight on the apple and my people, you know. So them can expose more to the sun so them ripe faster, guys, you know. Yeah, man. I go on with that one thing, you know. Been some time now, I not do it, but know what to do, you know. Yeah, man.
We're making it happen, man. You man, where are the apple making, man? Is there an apple man them not be what I do?
How will make it?
The man where I carry the apple. Apple have you carrying, you know?
Today. That's how we plan to work over that.
Oh, what's that?
Huh? That is it. Not full up like most of our nine.
Yo, the man now, bro.
Anyway, they want all the people and the family, them depend on
Go on there.
them. Don't do anything. Government have to do. Them bad them up. They are the rule. You know them, man.
So yeah, my peeps, we come down from the first break, you know. So me I sweat. Yeah man, I sweat a bit, so first break, so I get something to eat, you know.
Well, yeah, hard crackers now, man.
In flour bag. So you see a paper bag there now. Show you what I go on. Tell you what this do. Paper bag this. All purpose flour bag.
Don't bring a hard crackers.
Like you get up in the morning now, you add up your food with a rice dumpling or whatever. Yeah, you add up your food. You put it in the paper bag. The paper bag, I don't know what about it. You make the food stay warm. You just put it in the and properly, seal it in. You want to keep the food warm until you break or whatever, your period of time. Yeah man, so you can get something warm for eat, my peeps. Yeah man, if you don't have a food thermos. So the paper bag. Yeah man, if you don't know, you know now. So get some break eating peeps. And so break time you know, I can't eat nothing too much, I feed something like this. You know, crackers and sachets, you know. Yeah man, so I have 7 crackers and I have about 8-9 crackers, so that's how they break my peeps, see it? Okay man. Let's do it like this. Come on, take a bite. See? Rough out them people. Yeah. Young cherry. Man, this is a nursery. Young cherry plant. No? Eat. Yeah man, so I done the bread. Bread not quite done, but we'll finish it, so we are easy back out. Yes. We are touching back in a row, you know, my peeps. Yeah man, see it? Yeah man. Blue look good here, man. Man, favorite color blue. Bright.
So now you can't buy.
No man, that
you have a discussion.
No, we not talk about it every day. Some people every day then go
You know where arguments start off.
Yeah.
He pregnant to man.
Yeah.
And some people that tell us he pregnant to man.
Yeah. And me tell to them, I say some people life hard. Some people can do better. And yeah, not everything is some, but some can do better. Some people just lower their life with that.
So yeah, my peeps, I go get back busy on the work, you know, my people. See it, my peeps? Apple them pretty. The apple honey crepes. Yeah. To be exact. Zero when I. So yeah, see apple them better. That side I cut already. You see me? Yeah man, side I cut already. So yeah, my peeps see it. Finish the bottom side, I Prune in and out, so you see we are riding the leather and our prune the top. See it, we have to expose the top to the sun as well. See it. Yeah, man, it tap not so bad, so as I see, I walk go down with him leather, you know. See it. Yeah, man, it tap not so bad.
If me see that the money there right now, it's close and shape me alright. If me see that the money there right now, it's close and shape me alright.
Man, after pretty. Yes, my peeps, so we are move on to a different block. Block what we do down over there, so we finish. So we move on to a newer block, different variety. As we say, we do undercrypts, well, the variety of Gala. We are move on to some ambrosia. See? Climb up the hill, you have to physically fit. See?
Shooting live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
See? Yeah, man. So yeah, them color here we are search. I search for some colors like these. Yeah, man, some pretty colors, my peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. Reach on the road and I'll go over in one yard. You know? See it? Place beautiful, my people. Beautiful place. What's the view? When I think about the view, you look right in the lake. Them house across. Over on the lake side. See it, guys? Have lots of boats on the lake. See? Yeah, man, so we are going right now at this residential area, the people. So we have to be very silent, you know, because we don't want to disturb anyone, guys. You see? Yeah.
Them do 1.5 walk and go there 45.
Huh? Yeah, man. We're up on a new field, guys. Yeah, man, see, I light them up. Expose them to his sun.
Come on, thank you.
Yeah, my people still out here, hard at work. See it? Well masked up from the dust.
Catherine, man,
Yeah.
again. What are you do? Yeah. You know, so I'm not feeling them, man.
Cut the tree, boy. Cut the tree.
Cut the tree, guy. Cut it.
So yeah, my people, we almost come to a close. You know. So as you can see what it look like you know. I see I play my show up you now. You see me? Yeah man, I show up pretty. So I go and flip the camera and show now I go on guys. Yeah man, get a better look. I put them pretty, you know. That is it guys. Yeah man, so we get back to some work you know people. So just go and stick on spear. That is it man, my peeps. See? Everybody out here.
Big up, you know. Mad.
Oh.
Me done with farm up, man.
See?
Me don't come for race, me and a man in the neck. You only hear me out here talk.
Yeah, you see you talk, man.
See?
Talk.
Still out there and I feel I'm a peeps. You know, it's another new feel, but
Come up, son.
I never want to end the video until we catch past the night, you know. So you see, everybody been asking so them like him vibes, you know. So they out there.
Yeah, man.
See him?
One more time again, man.
Yeah, man.
One told, you know. Yeah, man. Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Oh.
Out there again, you know. Yeah, man. Big up yourself at Toby, aka Facts of Life. Yeah, man. Big up. It's Spearfish, man. Remember to like and subscribe every time. All out there. Big up every community, every trench. Yeah, man. And one go. Big up. Out. We did it. Bam.
Ready.
Yeah, man. That's what we did with it, man. Yeah. Shape up the bar place, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, so me I tell all the man in my yard, say, look how we are foreign for we mind. But we have to just have work for we mind when we come here. You understand? If you don't have money, no woman don't want to see you. Yeah, man, and that's how we have to do it for foreign, man. It's up here cold, but today we have to do it for the youth then. We have to do it for moms too, you know. Yeah, man, because no matter how a man say married, you understand, if you don't have no money, moms don't want to see you. Yeah, because you don't know the jars have to buy, soap have to buy. They don't want to talk about that. I'm glad to come at GP still. I can buy 2 more jars for my moms. You see me? Yeah, man. So that's what we are doing, idiot, man. See this? Yeah, where you say I did?
Remember, say I know easy work, so when every time you out that talk about send this and I send that, it's your hard man for work. You see me I say?
No, that's your work.
You know more time you have to clip me to the rest of the day?
Yeah.
You know more time?
Yeah, all them place, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hot, yo.
Yeah, man.
The 2 man come there, pussy one pastor boy. Hey, you don't know me who you know? He meant that cause you tell boss for left man. I hear myself. The poor pastor, yeah. About your head. He not answer nothing. He not answer. Chop it down.
You come never call, sometimes me go there.
Yeah.
You know where we go find.
You know where you go, boy.
Yeah. You know what? I tell more and tell more come never.
Which one you want? Tell me which one you want. You want that one yeah? Or you want that one yeah? Talk fast. Pick and choose me peep. See it? See it? Apple, 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 apple. Boss Slim. Why my babes? Why son I deal with the red out here, but we still out here fight it, no Joe? Yeah man, a whole work go on man. All the guys I'm put in the work, you know? Yeah man, but you know sometimes say you have to do your best or not. Sometimes the boss will tell you say you not do nothing. Yeah man, a whole work go on out here man. Show no what go on. You see it? All of them cuttings here. Half a tree of them come from, so me chop in there. Yeah man, take out that one yeah. See it? whole heap of cuttings off a tree. Yeah man, see it? Whole heap of cuttings, man. Whole heap of cuttings go straight through. So yeah man, we out here do the right thing, guys. I go and put in the work. Now the hot sun out here. Red hot out here, man. Red hot. Yeah man, so show you back again. Let me tell you now, we don't expose them to the sunlight. I try to get some of them color here. Some of them red color here. See? Yeah man. Well, that I Gala apple and this are the ambrosia. You know the ambrosia now go get that reddish. Quite red but not so red, but we are try expose them to the sun so can get the color, my peeps. Yeah man, so we out here go and do this right, my peeps. Finally, my people, we complete this day, you know. Finally put the day together and finish the day. See? They walk out of them row, man. Yeah man. What you say, we finished the day? See it? Body walk out. Take a look upon the work, my peeps. You don't see apple good, you know. You don't see apple, you know. Done, you know. Body done. Let that line up in a row. Apple pan tree. Body walk out a row now, my peeps. See it? Head to the bus here now. Yeah man, so we are heading to the bus here now. No, say it's that time I know if we head home, my people. So you know the thing, guys. Yeah. See it? Apple pretty.
That is it.
Man, we head up to the bus. And thing. Big yellow tata, yeah. Yeah man, so we pack up in the bus now with peeps. Don't work, it was a good day, peeps. Sweat up and thing and yes, dirty one, wash off. The peeps. See, so it was a nice outing with peeps, was a nice video. Yeah man, really do full drive putting this one together, guys. Yeah man. So we're going to head home now with peeps. See if we can get 2 clips of the lake. So now I'm going to film it end the video with people, you know? Yeah man, so